In this example, we want to see how skewness is related to the mean, median, and mode. So in part A here, we have a histogram for the following data. So notice we've got a lot of repeated values there. So we've got frequency versus the data value. And the 10 here is the left-hand side of this bar. So this is the bar for 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. So our median right here in the middle is 13. And that's also our mean and our mode. So if you have a symmetric distribution, mean, median, and mode are all going to be the same. So this right-hand side of the distribution looks like the left-hand side. They're mirror images. And so in the case when mean, median, and mode are all equal, your distribution is symmetric. Part B, we've got a histogram here that is not symmetric. In fact, this one, it trails off to the right. In fact, that's called skewed right. So if we were to draw a curve through the middles of the bars here, approximately through the middles of the bars, then we can see that the tail of that distribution tapers off to the right. And that's because we've got higher values here that are pulling the mean to the right. And in fact, notice here that the mean, which is 13.4, is bigger than the median. So this is greater than 13, which is equal to the median. So the median stayed the same at 13, but when we added these higher values in here, the 16, 17, 18, the mean increased, but our median stayed the same. This distribution is skewed right. The median stayed the same, but the mean is getting pulled to the right by those extreme values on the right. And then in part C, we're going to consider one more histogram. So notice that this one kind of trails off to the left. So there I took the original data, added some more on the lower end. So that's going to pull the mean down. So notice here that our median is 14, but our mean is 13.5. So now the mean is less than the median because of the extreme values on the left. And we can see that if we sketch our curve through the middles of the bars here, that the tail goes to the left. So this distribution is skewed left. So if it's skewed left, the mean will be less than the median. If it is skewed to the right, then the mean will be greater than the median.